Welcome to Guaranty RV out here in Junction City, Oregon. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to show you this 2015 outdoor RV Creekside. It's a 26 RLS, so it's a rear lounge. It's a Creekside. They're very nice, well-built units made by Outdoor RV. It's going to have some nice features on the front here. We got a power tongue jack, dual larger propane tanks, your battery location. This is going to have a super slide on the side here on the driver's side. Let's make our way around and take a look at this thing. It's got a nice big front storage bay here, big bay door. Battery disconnect and stuff is in there. This has a doorway into the bedroom up front, and I'll show you that when we get in there. Kind of a mid-bath, a larger bedroom to the unit. Power awning, LEDs throughout. Let's jump inside, take a look. So it's going to have that nice big rear window view, it being a rear lounge with the two chairs back here and a nice little center table, couch. Your big dinette booth here, horseshoe style, that also makes into a bed. Kitchen area has a decent large kitchen to it. Lots of storage, goes all the way back to the wall. Your TV entertainment here, so you can entertain and eat and watch TV. Jack and Jill bathroom. I'll go around the other way, but the bathroom is kind of nice because it's a large bathroom. It's got a doorway on both sides, a doorway into the bedroom, and the exterior door is also up here in the bedroom with a large bed. Residential queen, I believe. Closets on both sides. Storage under the bed as well. So you got lots of storage, lots of compartment spaces. Clean, well-built unit. But this unit is made by Outdoor RV. It is a pre-owned piece here at Guaranty. We have lots and lots of inventory, lots and lots of new and pre-owned stuff. Happy to help you. My name is Kirk.Blair. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to helping you out in your next adventure. Thanks.